If you want to download an aesthetic PowerPoint template from Slidesgo, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can find a beautiful template, download it correctly, open it in PowerPoint, and start editing it right away. Whether you're making a school presentation, a business deck, or a creative project, this method will help you save time and get a polished design fast. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Slidesgo website. Once the homepage loads, head straight to the search bar at the top and type in aesthetic. This will bring up a range of templates with clean, stylish, and visually appealing designs. You can also explore related results if you want something a little different, but aesthetic is the best keyword to start with if you want that soft, modern, or visually pleasing look. After the results appear, take your time browsing through the different template options. Click on any template that catches your eye to open the preview page. This is an important step because it lets you see all the slides inside the template before you download anything. You can check the title slides, content layouts, image placeholders, charts, and overall style to make sure it fits the theme you want. Once you find a template you like, look for the download button. Click download this template, and when prompted, choose PowerPoint as the format. You'll usually see a .pptx option, which is the one you want if you plan to edit it in Microsoft PowerPoint. Slidesgo also offers templates for Google Slides, so if you prefer working in Google's presentation tool, that option may be available too. But for this tutorial, we're selecting PowerPoint.pptx, so you can use it directly on your laptop or desktop. After you click download, the file will begin saving to your device. Depending on your browser, it may go directly to your downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Once the download is complete, open the file in PowerPoint. The template should load with all the slides ready for you to customize. From here, you can start editing the text, replacing images, changing colors, adjusting fonts, and arranging the layout to match your own content. This is where the template becomes fully yours. You can make it simple, professional, trendy, or completely personalized depending on your presentation needs. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you can find an aesthetic Slidesgo template, download it in PowerPoint format, and begin editing it for your project. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.